This is Patty. We aren't making anything. I'm just going to video. She is making us a coconut
cream pie. My mother's old recipe
Ooh.
I found.
Have you made it since you found it?
No. I've
never made
it.
Oh, good.
No. So this is, like I said, I found this in her Bible after she passed.
Okay.
So, Clark loved it. When she made it, someone tried it.
Okay. Don't get all emotional.
Well,
it's going to be good memories. Good memories.
Good.
Only good memories.
Well, this was the first Christmas I didn't have her for 57 years. I had a 56.
And you did good.
I did have a breakdown. But anyway, I did good. Lindsay and I both had a breakdown.
Breakdowns are healthy.
Yeah. So
and I can't show you Patty's face because she don't want to be seen because she's not all, she is beautiful, but she's not all Patty beautiful.
No.
So.
Just rolled out of bed. What do you mean? Anyway, I am going to put this in the oven.
Okay, so tell me what you did. You opened a pre-made crust thing.
That is one thing. She didn't ever use this kind of crust. She used the frozen crust and then would cook it. I like the pre-made crust and roll it in here.
Okay, so you rolled it in here, and we missed the part because we didn't decide to make this video, but she pinched the sides and poked the holes in there.
With a fork, and you know why we do that?
No, please tell us.
So that the crust won't bubble up and you'll have a lump.
Oh, no, I didn't know that. Yeah. I've never made a pie. I'm not a baker.
Okay, well
I'm a bake eater, but not a baker.
Okay, so anyway, it looks like I've messed a couple places, so we're gonna do that. Okay. So this doesn't bubble. Some people put like parchment paper in here and then put beans on top, and it holds the crust up.
Oh.
But my mama said to do this.
Okay, well we go with Mama's way.
We're gonna do what Mama did.
That's
okay?
Right.
So that's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do something else in just a minute with this. We're gonna make a pumpkin roll.
Oh, a whole different bakery.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're baking all kinds of goodies.
Yeah, I'm finishing up some of that. Sorry. Okay. Let's go bake and get brown.
How long do we bake that at what?
350.
350.
Until it gets brown. I don't remember. I just check it.
Oh, okay. So
10, 12 minutes.
Okay. So do you set a timer or you just remember?
I just remember.
Well, I would be burned it up. Okay. We're not videoing this. We're not videoing this. Yeah, we did have homemade breakfast this morning. We had biscuits and eggs and homemade gravy and limp bacon, my favorite. Okay, 350 for 10 minutes. We're going to check it.
Yeah. This is what kind of pie it is. The crust comes in like this.
Little baggy.
Yeah, you set this on out on the counter for a few minutes. You want it to get room temperature.
Oh, because it's refrigerated or frozen?
It's refrigerated.
Okay, so you let it get warmed up.
Yeah, because if you don't, it'll all stick together.
Oh.
Okay. Now, I gotta get in here a second. Okay, I gotta clean this. What's all over your hands?
Paint from painting your cows.
Oh, okay. Well, we're cleaning this up, okay? Because I made something else with this.
Patty is the baking queen. Oh, and I'm having these delicious steaks for dinner.
We're gonna roast tomorrow.
Oh, I got Patty's face for just a second, but
we're
not
trying
for very long.
to clean out the freezer, because we got more meat coming next month.
Oh.
Yeah, we had some cows.
Yeah.
We do every year this year.
How many do you have to fill the freezer? Like that you keep personally? One cow fills the freezer for the year.
Yes.
And you have it made into all kinds of stuff?
Yeah, because we share with my daughter.
Oh.
She comes over to now she doesn't get too many steaks. She tries to keep those for us, but we do give her some. She gets the roast, the cube steak.
The stuff for the children.
Stew meat, hamburger. She gets a lot of hamburger. So, and then I also...
But one cow lasts for a whole year for basically both y'all's family. Her whole family and you and Clark.
It's not a big cow. I mean, you don't like our cow. It's a calf.
Oh, just a baby.
It's probably not a year old. Maybe a year old. Yeah, probably a year old.
And why do you
They
do
weigh
the?
between 8 and 1,200 pounds
And why do you do the little ones?
because the big ones are tough,
Oh,
and
they're
we
not
keep
as
them to have babies.
they're not as delicious.
No.
Oh.
If you do a big cow,
I
it's usually
really
mostly
want to
hamburger.
not eat it anymore, but I just love it. But it is hard to think
It is
about.
what it is. That's right.
Yeah, it is what it is.
You
But
know,
it,
if you like meat.
but at least
meat.
right, and
You
at
know where
least
it came
yours, yeah, you know where it came from. You know it's not been misused or
You know it's
used.
not been fed junk,
Yeah,
and it's not been vaccinated or gave steroids and all that stuff.
Yeah.
'Cause we do worm them, but and we give them shots to keep them getting sick, but we don't do all of the
yucky stuff like the big places do.
right. Yeah. So we know where it came from, what it's been fed. We feed it really good grain.
And hay.
And yeah, they get hay when and it's mostly grass fed because we start feeding them out. Like we'll get another one like in March or April and start feeding it out, and most of it is fed on grass. So you know how they say grass fed beef?
Mhm.
That's what these are.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. So now we're making a pumpkin roll.
Yeah, we've already made the roll. This is the cream that goes inside.
Oh.
So we're taking a 8-ounce package of cream cheese and we're putting it in there, and you gotta let it sit out because you want it to be
Room temperature.
soft. Okay.
And it's not, I mean, it's healthy. Like, it says
Cream cheese
keep
is good.
refrigerated.
Oh yeah, but I don't keep it out. But like I got it out this morning. Well, after you got here,
Yeah.
so it hadn't been out long.
Yeah.
And butter, and this is real butter.
Real butter.
I don't use margarine anytime. That's plastic.
Yeah, I know.
Margarine is, it's plastic.
It is exactly plastic.
Tastes like plastic.
Yeah. It doesn't
You can
taste
really
as
tell
good
the
as
difference.
real butter, yeah.
Then, and with this, I don't go much with a recipe. I know it by heart.
But a lot of people do like that plastic margarine
they do.
taste.
But
I mean,
I finally got my daughter not buying it. I said, it's not even good for your
that's
kids. So
good.
when I said her that, she changed.
Oh, good.
You know.
You sent her like a link showing her that it's
No,
just
I just
nothing
told
but
her.
plastic.
I just told her. I said, this is gross. Taste the difference. Bake with this and bake with that crap and taste it. You can tell. And she did, so.
Oh, good. Well,
you know,
that's
I
good
got her
because
buying
those
it.
kids
It's a little
don't
bit more
need.
expensive, but hey, it tastes so much better.
Well,
It's better for you.
Yeah, you're not clogging your arteries with
Right.
plastic. I mean,
And, you know, if you're on keto, this is a yes. Margarine is a no.
okay, yeah,
So
Patty ketos. She's lost 55 pounds.
Yes.
55 pounds ketoing.
We're going to
And-
keep it off for, it'll be 2 years in March.
2 years in March. She's kept it off, and she is pretty keto dedicated. She's got all of us on it at some point or another. We don't stay on it, but
Well, I mean, I go off of it too. Like this morning. I
Yeah.
did have a biscuit, but that's okay.
yeah.
Couple tablespoons of butter. We're going to whip this together.
Let's see.
See?
Whipping it.
Whipping it good.
Whip it. Whip it good.
Okay, then we're going to take powdered sugar, which we know this is not good for you either. And you
Yeah.
could use sort of powdered sugar.
Which you have.
I do, but I'm not going to use it today.
Well, who are you giving this to?
You and Clark.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
not going to eat it.
Oh, okay.
And I don't measure. I think it's supposed to be 2 cups, but I don't know. I just
Go
poured
with
in-
what your intuition says.
Right. I poured in till I like the consistency.
And what consistency are we
And
looking
that
for?
is too thin.
We need some more.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just happened to have 2 bags.
Who knows?
So we'll pour some more in. Whoa, whoa, look at the smoke.
It's like snow.
Not crazy. Everybody thinks KitchenAid is the best. I don't like it.
What do you like, Cuisinart?
I don't know.
Oh.
I haven't found one that I really liked.
Oh, I have a Cuisinart, not a mixer because I'm not a baker, but I have a chopper thing and I really like it. I've had it for years and years, but I haven't
This one's
really.
got some attachments that I do like. It's got my cheese attachment. You know, I grade cheese. And
Yeah,
stuff.
I haven't really used it in years since I haven't cooked anything really in years.
It
But
looks pretty good. It's usually about 2 cups.
prior to this life, I cooked all the time when it was appreciated. Okay, now we're doing pecans, one cup.
Cup or more. These are not too chopped up, so I'm gonna. This is all I had too, so use what you got. Put them in there. And mix that up. Take this out.
We're like the Great American Baking Show.
I know. Okay, that's good. And now I'm gonna.
So the consistency should be like this.
Yeah,
kind of thick, not
stiff,
plopping off easily.
Yeah. Now,
Okay.
I'm hoping this is still good because it's been in there a day or two in the refrigerator. Because 1 can of pumpkin,
One can of pumpkin
puree will make 3 of these.
Okay.
Okay, and I took one to my girlfriend. You know, I do every year.
Yeah.
And then I took one to my daughters, and then this one is in here. So this was baked on parchment paper, and then when you take it out.
So you just put 1 can of pumpkin puree, that's it?
Oh, no. There's a can of pumpkin puree, cup of sugar, teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2/3 cup of pumpkin puree, and 3/4 cup of flour.
Okay.
3 eggs. Okay?
3 eggs.
Mix that all together. Pour it in a little jelly roll pan that's lined with parchment paper. You bake that for 12 minutes at 350.
Okay.
Take it out, and you're going to dump it on a towel that's been sprinkled with powdered sugar.
Okay.
Roll it up and let it cool. Now, then you're going to
look how pretty it looks.
Then you peel that off after it's cool.
Looks all beautiful. See that? Okay.
Okay, and now we're going to take this, and we're just going to smother it on there.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Okay. Everybody's like, how do they do those rolls? They're very easy. They're not as hard as they look.
Yeah, because they charge an awful lot for them. I don't understand that.
And I meant to make some Grinch ones. They're French vanilla cakes, green, and then you put a little red heart on top.
Oh,
but
that sounds fun.
Yeah, I did. Time ran out. Patty works. Patty embroiders. Patty has grandkids.
Patty does a lot of stuff. She's a busy lady. And as of today, we just found out Patty's getting rid of her TV. Aren't we so proud of her?
Yes.
Yes.
Time getter.
Time getter. That's right.
For her husband and me.
Time waster TV.
Yes.
And, you know, it really is negative. The TV, you don't realize how negative an impact it has on you.
And my hands are clean.
Until you...
Let's check our crust.
Until you...
No, it's not done. And it fell a little bit, too.
Oh.
That's not good, but we're going to make it work.
Yeah, we will. Okay.
So we're going to set the timer again for about 10 more minutes. We're going to try that. And I'll keep checking on it, too.
Yeah.
Okay.
So... But yeah, the TV really is negative.
Yeah.
I mean, it really is.
We watch Alaska shows and all that. We don't watch a whole lot of the main channels. We watch Discovery.
Yeah.
You know, so. Anyway,
But I think you can watch it online on your...
We might be able to. I might be able to get Mountain Men and Alaska, the Last Frontier.
Those are her favorites.
Yeah, they are. And if you ever watch Mountain Men, Eustace is his name. That's my favorite guy on there. I got to reading about him the other day, and he is a very smart, intelligent man, but you would never know it by watching him. But anyway, I mean, he lives out in the wilderness, and he's got a place called Turtle Creek, and he's trying to save it, and it's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of acres of land, okay? Yeah. And now they're trying, and he brings in kids to teach them how to live off the land like they did years ago.
Right.
You know, you build a cabin by hand. You don't have electric tools. You have an outhouse. And now the state of North Carolina, because that's where he lives, is trying to go in there and tell him that he is breaking laws for not having plumbing and all this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's put up a stand. But if you ever get a chance, look on YouTube. He has YouTube channels. Hustis. From Mountain Men.
From Mountain Men.
Okay, so there's your pumpkin roll. It doesn't look real pretty this end. Let's see about this end. Looks a little better there. But then you're going to take this and just sprinkle some more on top. Oh, well, and that's a little much. I usually put it in a sifter
thing.
Yep. But we're going to do it that way. Just for y'all. And then it's done. You want to cut it? What it looks like on the inside?
Sure. Is that what you're supposed to do next?
Sure, we can do it.
Now, if you were taking this to somebody, you would just wrap it up in some
Saran wrap.
saran wrap.
Mm-hmm. Yep. But we're going to cut it to show you the pretty part. The ends are never pretty.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
And it might be a little tough because it has been.
In the refrigerator for a couple of
And
days.
after it warms up, it won't be.
Yeah.
I should have took it out when I took the cream cheese out. But anyway, there you go.
Yay!
There's your pumpkin roll.
It's beautiful.
We will continue this when we get the crust out.
Yeah. So we will have a part 2 YouTube video to continue making our coconut cream pie. Mama's Way coconut cream pie. Come back for part 2, YouTubers. Have a good day.